Welcome back to TurboTrax, the ultimate hub for automotive enthusiasts, where innovation and style collide. Today, we're diving deep into a car that has undergone a remarkable transformation, the Suzuki FX, a car with a rich history and a newfound edge thanks to its wide-body modification and custom rims. Cut to the car parked in a well-lit garage with close-up shots of the exterior details. The Suzuki FX first hit the streets as a humble, compact hatchback, known for its affordability and reliability. Fast forward to 2025, and this legend has been reimagined for a new generation of gearheads. The wide-body modification instantly commands attention, redefining the FX's stance and giving it an aggressive, sporty character. Camera pans across the front of the car, focusing on the wide-body fender flares. Let's start with the fender flares, crafted to perfection. These bold extensions not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetic appeal but also improve its aerodynamics. They blend seamlessly into the body, creating a unified look that screams performance. Shift to the car's side profile, highlighting the rims and tires. Now, let's talk about the rims. This FX boasts custom-made alloys that are nothing short of a masterpiece, finished in a dual-tone black and chrome design. These rims perfectly complement the car's bold persona. Measuring a robust 18 inches, they house low-profile performance tires that promise unparalleled grip and stability on the road. Slow-motion shots of the car cruising, showcasing its lowered stance and wide wheels. The lowered stance, achieved through precision engineering, gives the FX a planted look. Its widened track not only enhances cornering capability but also provides a visually striking road presence. This is not just a car, it's a statement. Focus shifts to the front bumper and grille. Moving to the front, the custom wide-body kit incorporates a redesigned bumper and grille. The aggressive lines and sharp contours create a menacing face that signals this FX means business. Functional air vents are integrated to improve cooling and reduce drag, merging form with function. Camera transitions to the rear, focusing on the widened rear bumper and diffuser. At the rear, the modifications continue with a widened bumper and an aerodynamic diffuser. These enhancements work together to channel airflow more efficiently, providing added stability at higher speeds. Wide shot of the entire car under dynamic lighting. The paint job is another standout feature. With a glossy metallic finish and subtle custom decals, this FX is a rolling work of art. The combination of bold colors and sharp lines creates an unforgettable visual impact. Cut to action shots of the car on a winding road. When it comes to performance, the wide-body design isn't just for looks. By improving aerodynamics and increasing grip, it transforms the FX into a corner-carving beast. Whether cruising city streets or attacking mountain roads, this modified FX performs as good as it looks.